Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to invite friends on 1xBet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and we need to search for 1xBet and we get into this interface. Make sure you are logged into it. Afterwards, we need to go to this profile interface and simply scroll down, and over here we can see this invite friends option. Simply tap on that. Now we need to accept the terms and conditions and simply click on terms and conditions over here. Now scroll down, we need to know all of the details here and click on take part. Now we need to fill in the details here. Now make sure you fill all of your details here and simply click on edit if you want to edit any of this. Once you are done, simply click on save and we need to conform to this confirmation process and simply agree to the terms and conditions. Click on take part and we need to simply send this link to our friend so that he can continue with this process. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.